You've heard the headlines, Young Thug indicted, facing racketeering charges. But here's what most people don't know about the YSL trial. First, the label versus gang debate. Prosecutors argued that YSL, officially Young Stoner Life Records, was actually a front for a street gang called Young Slime Life. But Thug's defense said the meaning of YSL wasn't about crime at all. They pushed the idea that YSL was strictly a music label and that Thug's name stood for truly humble under God. That little detail played a bigger role than people realize because the entire case hinged on whether YSL was a criminal organization or just a rap collective. Second, one of the most controversial witnesses, YSL Woody. Woody wasn't some side character. Prosecutors treated him like a major piece of the puzzle, claiming he could tie Thug to leadership roles in YSL's alleged crimes. But what many people don't know is that Woody had a federal conviction from before, involving bringing a rifle into a gym full of kids. The defense used this to question his credibility, suggesting he had every reason to cooperate and shape the narrative. Third, the shirt moment. During a 2017 traffic stop video shown in court, Thug was wearing a Fear of God t-shirt. The defense actually paused the footage to highlight this, arguing that his clothing wasn't gang-related at all. It reflected his fashion sense and even his spirituality. It sounds minor, but it was part of their strategy to tear down the prosecution's interpretation of his image. Fourth, the lyrics and emojis. Prosecutors wanted to use Thug's lyrics, Instagram posts, and even emojis as evidence of gang activity. The defense pushed back hard, saying rap lyrics aren't confessions and social media personas aren't criminal proof. This became one of the biggest cultural debates of the whole trial, where the line is between artistic expression and actual evidence. Finally, the part most people miss, the outcome and the conditions. After the longest trial in Georgia history, Thug took a plea deal. He got 40 years on paper, but with time served and a heavily structured probation period. He's banned from the metro Atlanta area for 10 years, except for limited personal reasons, has to perform community service, give anti-gang talks, and avoid contact with most former co-defendants. The restrictions are strict, but far different than what many expected after such a massive RICO case. So when you look at the Young Thug YSL trial, it wasn't just a legal battle. It was about how image, lyrics, branding, and culture can be weaponized or defended in court. And that's the part most people never hear.